Hi, Crafty friends. Lace here, the Cheeky Bomb, and I have a small little Dollar Tree haul. I finally found some new stuff that I was looking for, some new Crafter Square stuff. So it's not a big haul, but it's a good haul. So I'm gonna share with you some of the new stuff that is coming out. I grabbed a couple new fabrics. See, this is the new label. This is a cherry one. I'm gonna show you. I want to see this. Um, what I use their fabrics for is I just rip them into strips for my tassels, salt shaker tassels, or anything else that you want to use. I mean, it's not bad fabric and it rips really nicely, but look at this cherry. This is so cute and so springy. It would be good for a cherry swap, just a spring, a picnic, something like that. But this is really pretty. I really like this. And then I just got this yellow polka dot because this will go with so many different ones. I do no, I don't have lemon salt shakers yet, but I have honey and bees and stuff like that, so I think that this will be very good. Yeah, the only lemon salt shakers I've seen are like the holes are off to the side, and I just don't feel like they would hang aesthetically pleasing, if that makes sense. But if you are into spring crafting or Easter crafting, the Dollar Tree does have salt and pepper shakers that are Easter. They have like a bunny and a carrot, and then they have Easter eggs. So you might want to check these out. These are still $1.25. I know somebody in my last video told me I need to, put in prices. I'm pretty sure in my stores the only things that are more are seasonal. So anything Easter is going to be $1.50. Plastics, glassware, and cleaning products are all $1.50, unless it's like a Dollar Tree Plus, which is 3, 5, and 7 or on up. But most things in my store are still $1.25. So fabrics are still $1.25. I picked up more adhesive squares. I don't mind these ones. They're pretty decent, and I like the size of them. And see, new packaging, but the same thing. I think you get the same amount as you did before, but they're good to have in my stash. They did have some new glitters that I thought were pretty. These still $1.25. But you have silver stars, blue stars, which would be great for like 4th of July or summer crafting. These are like a teardrop, little like reddish pink. This would be actually good for like watermelon. They kind of remind me of like watermelon seeds. You got gold little drops. You have purple flowers, and then you have this minty color little drop. These are really pretty. And then in this one, these are the only 2 colors I've seen. Otherwise, I would have grabbed whatever else I could find. We have this like peachy little star. This is a silver flower, a pink star, purple flower, minty blue flower, and then like this white iridescent flower. So these are really pretty. Great for your shaker mixes, sequin mixes, whatever you want to call them. I think that these are good adds to them, so I would definitely pick these up. I did find some more beads. I finally found more. In my last haul, I hauled a mint, like a bluish. Oh, it's not right here. I don't know where it's handy, but it had like tealy minty blues in it. So I found this pink one, which it has some like gray iridescent beads, some bigger ones. These purple ones, it has some longer like pinky purple ones. It has some like frosted gray. They're like a grayish purple, but very pretty. And then this one, these do kind of look similar to the mixes they've had before. I would have to go through my stash and see like if they are the same colors, just different packaging. I think that they are slightly different though. But these are both the same. They're just like a long white bead. You get this grayish, like smoky colored long one. You get this iridescent black, and then like this long black one. And these are 2 the same, and these 2 are the same. So I mean, they're not different, but these 2 are different. I mean, that's kind of weird. Then they had this that is more on like the magenta side, where this is like more purpley. I don't know. But they're really pretty beads for $1.25. They're not bad. And then we have this like brown gold champagne pack. So again, $1.25. Oh, I also found these pearls. They did have a set like this that was more antique-y, like the like cream colored pearls. I grabbed the white ones, even though these ones have kind of a creamy look. Yeah, just to have my stash. I do have some pearls, but it is nice that they have, you know, 4 different sizes in those. They did bring out, oops, these little hand sanitizers back. I do like to put these ones in my purse because it has a cap and it's more protected. It's not going to, you know, leak as much. Same scents as last year. So there was a lemon, watermelon, and there's a green one, which I think might be cucumber. Or it might be lemon lime. I don't know. There's a green one too. Or maybe it's mint. No, I don't think it's mint. Eucalyptus? I don't remember. I just grabbed the watermelon. That one's usually my favorite one out of all of them. Let's see what else I have in this bag. I did find some Easter stuff. So this Easter stuff that I'm showing you is $1.50. I'm not going to be doing Easter crafting this year, but I am definitely going to put these in my stash because they are peeps. Usually if I do an Easter type of swap, it's usually a peep swap, and look how cute these are. So you get 4, $1.25. These are on end caps. They're not with all the other Easter eggs, and I only seen these like one. I mean, I didn't personally see them. I seen one other like Dollar Tree hauler haul these. And that's all they do is go around to all Dollar Tree. So I have not seen any of my other crafty friends haul these yet. Or I could have missed it. I haven't been watching a ton of YouTube or as much lately. But these are so cute. I got 2 of them, so I'd have at least 2 of each color. These are really cute for $1.50. They're so cute. And then I picked up some shred. These are actually not in Easter, so these are still $1.25, I'm pretty sure. Let me look at my receipt. Yeah, they're still $1.25. But, you know, are you getting the color scheme? I am an American Craft swap, and these are definitely give me Maggie Holmes vibes. So I will be using that for those. In my last haul, I did find some other chip clips, but I found some Baby Yoda ones that were just adorable. They're so cute. I found this notebook. I do like my notebooks. I'm still on the hunt for some, but I know they'll come. There's some people just get stuff a lot faster than others. But look at this paper on the inside. So I could definitely take this apart and utilize this green minty, like it's pistachio green dotted journaling paper. I do like dot journals, so I thought that this was really cute. I was happy with that. And then, last but not least, I found some Disney Princess hand lotions. These are the only 2 I found. There was a row, so I had like, I know that there's at least 3 different Disney princesses. I don't know who is the other one. So I don't know if it's Belle. I don't know if it's Ariel. I don't know. These were literally the only 2 left in the thing. So I grabbed them. Let's see. Can I see? This one's apple scented, and this is vanilla rose. Yeah, I don't know who the other princess is, but I would like to find out, because these would be perfect for a Disney swap or a princess swap. I feel like somebody should have a princess swap. I've seen a lot of Disney swaps, but not necessarily like a princess swap. I think that could be a lot of fun. But there's also supposed to be Nightmare Before Christmas hand lotions that are in the same type of packaging, that have Sally, Jack, and Zero, I believe. So I'm on the look for those because I have the face mask, and if I can put a hand lotion in with that, it would be so cute for a cute little skincare, self-care package. So new finds. Yeah. That's it. It's like I said, it wasn't a big haul, but I did find some new finds, so I thought I would share so you can go out there and hunt for yourself, because, you know, I don't know how long these will be out. I feel like I went to that Dollar Tree the week before and I did not see these, but they were pretty stocked, so I think that they had just put these out. So I don't know if they just got these later on the truck or they finally had room for it. I don't really know. But these are probably my favorite find. I think that they're really cute. So happy shopping out there, happy hunting, and I hope you find all the good finds that you wish to find. See you in the next video.